April Davis here with April Davis Creations. Today is day number 9. We're going to look behind door number 9. If you've been following my series, you know that I'm highlighting each day in the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. And each day I show you a card that I have created with it, whatever that item was behind that particular door. Today we're ready to open up door number 9. So let's go ahead and open this up. Door number 9 is right here. We open this up and we have a package of ephemera and paper that is, I'm going to liken it to our Memories and More cards that we have. So let me go ahead and open this up so you guys can see what's in here. We've got pieces of ephemera. And I've got them in a little bag. You know how I am about my little bags. I like to keep everything together. So we've got some fun ephemera pieces, butterflies and bows and cupcakes and flowers. There's a picture frame. I don't know, I can't remember if I actually die cut this out or this came with the ephemera, but we've got that. And then we've got these sheets that match our designer series paper, but they're already pre-cut. But remember our Memories and More card packs. This is what this reminds me of. So you've got numerous sheets of that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this off to the side so that I can show you the card that was created with this particular card pack. All right, let me put that off to the side and I'm going to bring this card in. How fun is that? Look what I've done. I've utilized the pre-cut, I'm going to call them again, Memories and More sized cards. And then we've got some of the ephemera that came. And look, I even added a puffy sticker to this. I cut my label and stamped big thanks, still utilizing the stamps from the stamp set that we've got. And I incorporated the baker's twine from the previous day to create this card. How fun is that? If you like this card and you are interested in the tutorial, I have created a tutorial for every single day and a card that utilizes whatever that was behind that door. I have that tutorial, 12 projects in all. If you purchase the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar through my store, you receive that tutorial automatically free. If you are interested in the tutorial, but not necessarily the Advent Calendar, maybe you've already got it, then you can go to my website, aprildaviscreations.com, and look for shop, and then go to the PDF store, and the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar tutorial will be there that you can purchase and download. So again, 12 Days of Christmas, door number 9 was today, and you've got all these fun ephemera pieces and pieces of, they're thicker than the designer series paper. That's why I keep referring back to the Memories and More cards. But fun to create such pretty cards. So thank you for joining me for day 9. I'm excited to see you tomorrow for day 10.